Okay, who locked my door?
My warden. You're okay.
Oh. NPCs.
Everything is disorganized. War is upon us. Somebody's impersonating you.
What? Impersonating me? How?
A fraud, I say.
Why do we sound like... I don't know what... Okay, what voice did Crony give the cronies? She made them whiny. I sound whiny. What's the problem? Crybabies?
In your absence, they claim they had too warden of time. But they couldn't open this door. Of world!
Guard this door until I get back. I'll open it when I feel like it.
Yes, my warden.